Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how we can create back in Jira. And I understand it might sound basic, but we're going to do it in Jira making API calls. And I do understand that it might sound basic for advanced level, but when I saw it first time, I thought it's very impressive. So my name is Svetlana and QA engineer with over 2 years experience, so let's dive in. So first thing what we need to have is our account in Jira. And just quick reminder that in project setting, you can find project name and project key. So basically we need to remember that our project key you can find in project setting. In my case, it's AA, but in your case, it might be something different. It depends how you created your name. Next thing, what I want to show you is quick reminder how we creating bug manually. So we have 3 required fields: is project, issue type, and summary. And basically what we're creating is issue, and then we're choosing bug like a type. Yeah, and next thing, the summary is our required field. Without summary we can create a bug. Okay, and next thing what I want to show you that when we created our Jira account, we already have our basic URL. So it's your name with extension @Atlassian.net. So just keep it in mind, and we will be back to these things later. Next thing what we're gonna do is find Jira documentation. You just can basically type it Jira Cloud and you will find documentation to Jira with all API calls. Like you can see, you can practice a lot. But first thing what we need to do is authorize, login. And how we can do it, you need to find basic authorization for REST APIs, and here you go, you have step by step how you can do it. And first thing what you need to do is create your API token in this link. So in your case you might see create API calls here in the middle, so you just basically press it, give it its a name, and then create it. And then you need to copy it because you will not see it again. Okay, go back to our documentation, and next thing what you need to do is build a string of the form. So basically you need to put your email column and your API token, and this is gonna look like this. Okay, see, email column and your API token, just put it in notes or somewhere, and we will go back to these things in a while. Next thing, you need to encode your API token in base64 encode format. So how you can do it, you just basically write this command in a terminal, echo/n, and copy all this thing what we created and put in our nodes in terminal. So how you can see, echo/n, all the thing what we put it together with extension base64. Press enter. Here we go, we have our encoded token. And next thing what we see here, that required field is in header, put our authorization and word basic and all that code what we created. So it's basically gonna look like this. You see, header, authorization, and word basic, and paste what we copied from our terminal. And next thing what is required is content type. Just basically copy and paste it, and application/JSON is our value. Okay, so we basically done with our authorization to Jira, and then we're gonna find our documentation how we can create the issue. So basically you just need to here we go, create the issue, and we have our documentation here as well. So how you can see it is post. So we're choosing the post here. I have already chosen, but we can do it again. And next thing, how you can see that our endpoint is your base URL, which we already figured that it contains right here. Yep. So I'm gonna copy this as well and paste is here. And next we have here our resource. So I'm gonna put and press is here as well. So here we have our endpoint. And next thing what we're gonna check is our so what other is required here? we have header content type is application/json, what we already did it, and accept application JSON. So basically we already have in our header what means that it's accept everything, so we can just leave it how it is. And then we need to pass in body our JSON. So our JSON gonna have Atlassian document format. So basically what this is mean is JSON, but you're gonna have like a type content, type text marks. So basically what I did, I have here my bug report with summary, with description, and Ask GPT just converted it for me. So here is my JSON. So I just basically copied this as well. I'm gonna paste it here. Okay, so I think we all set. Let's run it and see if this is working. Awesome. So 201, and we're going back to our documentation, and we can see that 201 is created. Awesome. But let's check on our okay, in our Jira if you have. Awesome. So let's take a look. The summary is stage/web and incorrected email address pass verification. Looks great. Thank you for watching this video, and in the next video I'm going to show you how we can add attachments making API calls. So see you next time. Bye.